Have you ever wondered how videos go viral on YouTube? It's a question that has intrigued many, and for a good reason. Viral videos hold a kind of magic. They're the digital equivalent of capturing lightning in a bottle. The power they possess is immense and can be a game changer for both established and budding content creators. Imagine seeing your video views skyrocket, your subscriber count multiply, and your revenue soar. This isn't just a pipe dream. It's possible, and it all starts with creating viral content. But how do you do that? Is there a secret formula, a magic wand that you can wave to make your video the next big thing on YouTube? Well, there's no magic involved, but there is a process, a method to the madness, and it's a process that we're going to guide you through. In this video, we will break down the process of creating viral content into 5 easy steps. The first step to creating viral content is knowing your audience. This is an essential pillar in the grand scheme of creating content that resonates and ultimately goes viral. It's not just about making videos that you think are great. It's about creating content that your audience thinks is great, content they want to share with their friends, content they can't wait to see more of. Think of it like this. You wouldn't serve a steak dinner to a room full of vegetarians, would you? In the same way, you need to tailor your content to what your audience is hungry for. This means understanding their interests, their habits, their likes and dislikes. But how do you get to know your audience? Well, YouTube provides various tools to help creators understand their audience demographics. YouTube Analytics, for instance, is a treasure trove of data. You can see who's watching your videos, where they're from, what other types of videos they watch, and so much more. You can use this information to inform your content strategy to make sure you're creating videos that your audience will love. In essence, the key to creating viral content is not just about being creative or original. It's about understanding your audience, knowing what they want, and delivering it to them in a way that resonates. Knowing your audience is the first and foremost step in creating content that can potentially go viral. The second step is all about the quality of your content. Embarking on the journey to viral fame, our second stop is the land of quality content. But what does quality content really mean? It's not just about crisp visuals or high-definition audio, although those certainly play a part. Quality content is engaging. It's the kind of content that keeps viewers hooked from the first second to the last, that makes people pause whatever they're doing just to watch your video. It's the content that keeps viewers on the edge of their seats, eagerly anticipating what's next. Quality content is original. It's content that's fresh, unique, and has your personal touch. It's not just rehashed or recycled ideas, but something that comes from your heart, your experiences, and your perspective. Quality content is relevant. It's about being in tune with what your viewers want to see, what they care about, what they're interested in. It's about understanding the pulse of your audience and delivering content that resonates with them. Now, you may wonder, why does quality matter so much? The answer lies in viewer retention rates. YouTube's algorithm loves content that keeps viewers watching. The longer your viewers stay, the higher your video climbs in YouTube's rankings. And the higher it climbs, the more likely it is to go viral. So invest your time, energy, and creativity into crafting high-quality content. Because at the end of the day, it's not about how much content you create, but how good that content is. Remember, quality always beats quantity when it comes to creating viral content. The third step revolves around SEO optimization. Now, SEO may sound technical, but it's all about making your video discoverable to the right people. It's like the secret sauce that can propel your content from the depths of obscurity to the top of YouTube's search results. Think of SEO as a game of hide and seek. Your video is hiding, and your audience is seeking. You want to make it as easy as possible for them to find you. And that's where keywords come in. These are the terms that your target viewers are likely to search for. Incorporate these keywords into your video title, description, and tags. Remember, it's not about stuffing as many keywords as you can, but rather selecting relevant, high-performing keywords and using them strategically. But SEO isn't limited to keywords. Thumbnails and captions also play a significant role. A visually appealing thumbnail can attract potential viewers, while captions make your content accessible to a wider audience, including those who are hard of hearing or speak a different language. Not to mention, captions are also crawlable by YouTube's search algorithms, giving you another opportunity to incorporate your keywords. In essence, SEO optimization is like leaving breadcrumbs for your audience to follow. It's about guiding them to your content in the vast digital forest that is YouTube. And while it might seem daunting at first, remember that every little tweak, every optimized keyword brings you one step closer to going viral. SEO optimization is a key step in ensuring your video reaches the maximum possible audience. The fourth step is about leveraging social media. Picture this. You've just uploaded your masterpiece onto YouTube. It's filled with quality content, it's optimized for SEO, but it's just sitting there, waiting to be discovered. What's the missing piece of the puzzle? The power of social sharing. Social media platforms are like bustling cities, teeming with potential viewers who could fall in love with your content. By sharing your videos on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even LinkedIn, you're essentially inviting people to come and visit your YouTube channel. It's like throwing a party and inviting all your friends. In this case, the party is your video, and the friends are your social media followers. But it's not just about increasing your view count. Sharing your videos on social media can also boost your engagement. When people comment, like, or share your posts, it sparks conversations and builds a community around your content. This kind of engagement is pure gold in the eyes of the YouTube algorithm. You see, the algorithm is like a talent scout. It's constantly on the lookout for videos that are creating a buzz. When it notices that your video is driving traffic from outside sources like social media, it's more likely to promote your content to a wider audience. And that's the beauty of social sharing. It's not just about getting your video in front of more eyes. It's about creating a ripple effect that can take your video from a quiet stream to a roaring river of views. Social sharing can give your video the initial push it needs to go viral. The final step is all about consistency. So you've understood your audience, created high-quality content, optimized it for search engine visibility, and shared it across multiple platforms. But none of these steps will bear fruit if you're not consistent in your efforts. Consistency is like the glue that holds all these steps together. It's about creating a schedule and sticking to it. It's about making a promise to your viewers and keeping it. It's about being reliable, not just in the quality of your content, but also in the frequency of your posts. When you post regularly, you're not just creating more opportunities for your content to be seen. You're also building a relationship with your audience. They come to expect your content. They look forward to it. They start to see you not just as a content creator, but as a consistent part of their routine. Regular posting also improves your visibility on the platform. The YouTube algorithm loves consistency. It interprets regular posting as a sign of reliability and rewards it by improving your channel's visibility, which in turn can lead to more views, more shares, and more chances for your content to go viral. But remember, consistency isn't just about quantity. It's also about maintaining the quality of your content. So don't rush to post for the sake of posting. Take your time, create content that you're proud of, and then share it with the world. Remember, consistency is key in the journey to creating viral content. So there you have it, the 5 steps to creating viral content on YouTube. First, understand who your audience is. Next, focus on producing high-quality content that resonates with them. Then, optimize your content using SEO strategies. After that, promote your videos through social sharing. And finally, remain consistent in your content creation. Following these steps won't guarantee a viral hit, but they will definitely increase your chances of creating successful content on YouTube. Good luck on your journey to virality.